For the next stage of our mixed city, we need the little mixed people, but they won't look exactly like people yet, and their bodies are just dots. Every table will have a lid. Do you recognize these colors? What color group do you see on this lid? If you guessed primary colors, you are correct. So we have red, yellow, and blue. When you take red, yellow, and blue, and you pick them in pairs, like 2 colors at a time, and you mix them together, you get something new called secondary colors. That's what was happening in the story Mixed. So we're going to start with, take your finger and get a little bit of yellow on it. Not a lot. I just touched the paint. I did not scoop. I dabbed my finger in. And pick a spot somewhere on your page where you're going to want a person. So I'm going to make a little yellow dot. And beside that dot, I'm going to make a baby yellow dot. Okay, take your dirty finger, wipe it on your paint shirt on an edge, please. Not in the middle. Next, I'm going to get a teeny tiny baby dot of, here, I'll make it a little bigger. Need a dot of blue. I'm gonna put some blue over here. It's like I'm making a color family at the beginning. There was yellow and there was blue, and then they mixed and made a little color called green, right? So I have a little bit of blue left. I'm going to put that on this little guy and kind of stir with my finger, and it turns green. We have our first secondary color. Okay, somewhere else on your paper, we want yellow again. I'm gonna put another yellow dot and baby dot. Clean the finger. Then I want a dot of red. So we have another family going for a walk. I'm going to take that red that's left on my finger, mix it in the baby dot, and now we have orange, because yellow and red make orange. That is another secondary color. Last but not least, I think I'm going to mess with the cars. I'm going to take blue. I'm going to put a blue dot here. And somewhere on my page, I think I'll have a guy up here hanging out on the roof or in a window. I'm going to put a baby blue dot there. All right, red. I'm using a different finger. I'm going to put a red dot in this car. If I put red in this blue and mix with my finger, it turns into purple, which is the last secondary color. So primaries are red, yellow, and blue. Secondaries are green, orange, and purple. Once you have your beginning people, then you can experiment a little bit with your colors. Just don't go mixing up all 3. If you mix up all 3, you're gonna get brown. So I'm gonna make another purple one here. Make sure you clean your fingers when you're changing colors. That's very important. And when you use the red and blue with yellow, you just need a tiny, tiny amount. There, got another person in the window. So you can figure out where you want your people to be, driving the cars, walking down the street, hanging out in the window, standing up on the roof. Not making their little arms and legs yet though. We will do that when this is all dry.